Come on in, please. Former Attorney General of the United States, John Ashcroft, with us now live. Mr. Attorney General, thank you so much for being with us on a very important day. Following the firing of Sally Yates, the Democrat National Committee called President Trump a tyrant. Would you care to comment, sir?
Well, first of all, the President's acting to defend the American people with these orders regarding immigration and refugees, and he's well within the law. The Office of Legal Counsel has established and in this particular case signed off on what the President has done so that it is not only constitutional, but it conforms with the legislation that has been acted on by a variety of presidents, sponsored by Democrats over the years, amended recently in the Congress, but not altered as to the President's authority. The President is on the soundest footing possible in this setting, and he deserves the support of his Justice Department. When the acting Attorney General of the United States decides to subordinate her sworn constitutional duty for her personal preference, it's not that the President fires her because she has a different opinion. It's because the President fires her because the people of this country are entitled to have their laws defended in court. And if she chooses not to defend the law, which is her sworn constitutional duty, and to substitute her personal preference instead, she has subverted the system. She has really said, I will be the judicial branch of government. I'll decide what's appropriate, what's not appropriate, and we'll deprive the American people of their recourse in the courts. The judicial system, which is one of the three branches of government, will be just moved out of the equation because I'm going to throw the case. We won't defend against those who are attacking this law, which has been relied on by president after president.
President Trump could have just sat still and done nothing, because as soon as Mr. Sessions is confirmed as Attorney General, he would then obey the law as written down by President Trump. Sally Yates was not prepared to, he was not prepared to wait a couple of days. What does that tell you about President Trump and the way he organizes our government and the way he commands?
Well, we've already had judicial activity that relates to these orders, and there are a variety of settings where the law could be challenged or the orders could be challenged, and the American people deserve the right for those to be defended, and defended promptly, and not to be at disadvantage for the defense of their freedom and the defense of this country and its borders as a result of the preference of the Attorney General. Yes, this indicates that President